Hi guys! Today, let's make a quick and delicious French toast recipe using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Here's what you'll need: 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of milk, which I forgot to put here, and few slices of bread. First, crack 2 eggs into a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Once you have added all these things, whisk, whisk, whisk until everything mixes together. Once you feel the batter is fully mixed up, now add 2 tablespoons of milk to make the batter smooth and creamy. Once you see the batter is fully smooth, you can put a butter in a pan on the side and let it heat up. Now take your slices of bread and dip them into the batter. Make sure both sides are fully coated, but don't let the bread soak for too long, just enough to absorb the mixture. Once you see butter is fully melted and you can see bubbles, place the coated bread slices into the pan and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they're golden brown and slightly crispy. Once they're done, transfer the French toast to a plate. Add your favorite toppings, drizzle on some syrup, sprinkle powdered sugar, or add fresh fruit for an extra special touch.